How to get subscription on Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can get subscription on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to get the subscription on Amazon Prime, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Google Chrome browser here and go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat again, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you come here, if you're not already signed in, you can tap on your profile name from the top right hand side of the screen in order to sign in. And after that, now you can tap the start your free 30-day trial option. And after you have done that, you will be able to set this type of interface where you'll find all this sorts of information. And here you can see the option called select a payment method. Now after you enter your payment method, you can tap the continue option, and then your Amazon Prime subscription will get successfully activated. This way you can get subscription on Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.